what's going to happen now is these crews, along with engines that you see here behind me, are going to post up on all these structures, the ones that are defendable. Bad things are going to happen, and we need to be prepared.
Right now we currently have a fire burning through us, and what we do is we pre-treat the house with some gel. By pre-treating that gel, hopefully it's going to absorb some of the heat so that wood siding doesn't catch on fire. But it's not an end-all, it's not the savior of anything. We still have to come back to extreme rates of spread.
You got a rainbow going, baby. Keeping these jackouts wet is real important.
Actually, a homeowner has decided to stay back and protect his property, which we never recommend, because what we're seeing right now can come up on us within minutes.
Just hold it down.
Stop moving back, motherfucker, else hold it down.
Charlie, copy. 3 5-gallon pails of gel. Gotta get someone on the ground roll over there.
This fire is consuming a lot of acreage every hour on the hour.
1,000 acres an hour. I've been doing this for 12 years and I have never seen fire behavior like this.
That house is done, dude. I've never been this close, that's for sure. That is for sure.
This thing burned 30,000 acres, so it's obviously got a good head of steam on it. I mean, designated safety zones. If something does happen, wind shift.
The fire's burning over against the house over here.
Yeah, they're moving engines into it right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know how it started that low, but it's there.
It's gonna run, sir. Holy shit. All right. Got engine fire? You have a fast-moving fire front that's coming your way, so just be heads up.
The wind just shifted, so crews are doing fire front following right now, trying to protect as many structures as possible.
Fucking crazy fire behavior. Trying to stay ahead of this kicks your ass.
I've never seen anything like this. You're going to see it come out of this thing right now. And here comes a wind shift. With a lot of heat, here it comes. Thousands of degrees. This is a classic example.
Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and just let this thing burn itself out right in here and try and keep it in check to right here so everybody else in this area can stay safe.
Right there, burn there.
Yeah, I hear you.
If you ever need me to move, just put me out of the way.
You're doing good. You're doing really good.
It's fairly close to the structure, but the good part about this is the owner of the house, he was obviously paying attention when someone told him, hey, you know, you really do need defensible space between vegetation and your structure. Defendable space gives us time. But you go out here to our north, there's just house after house after house, man, that's just getting beat to crap right now.
Oh, puppy. Watch out, this dog might bite you. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, baby.